Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make vinaigrette at home. To begin, let's talk about the fundamental ratio. A great starting point is 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar. This provides a balanced flavor that isn't too acidic. Select a high-quality extra virgin olive oil and your favorite vinegar, perhaps a red wine or balsamic. Having your ingredients ready, along with a bowl or jar, makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's elevate the flavor. Consider adding aromatics such as 1 clove of minced garlic, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, or a tablespoon of finely chopped shallots. Dijon mustard is a secret weapon here. It acts as an emulsifier, helping the oil and vinegar combine beautifully and stay together. Gradually whisk or shake the oil into your vinegar mixture until it transforms into a smooth, creamy dressing. Next, it's time to season your creation. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper to enhance the flavors. This is your chance to customize. Taste the vinaigrette and adjust as needed, perhaps a little more vinegar for tang, more oil to mellow it, or even a half teaspoon of honey for sweetness. Fresh herbs, like a tablespoon of chopped parsley, chives, or dill, can also add a wonderful, vibrant touch. Finally, let's talk about storage and serving. Your delicious homemade vinaigrette can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. For the best flavor experience, allow it to sit at room temperature for about 15 minutes before serving. Remember to give it a good shake or whisk before each use, as the oil and vinegar may naturally separate over time. Enjoy your fresh, homemade dressing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.